Hello YouTube, it's Craig with CasWorks Woodworking. Well, it's day 15 of this project. It's the last day we're here. We didn't get nearly as much accomplished as we would have liked. Made some calculation errors yesterday. Really set us back for the whole afternoon. So today we just really need to focus on buttoning down what we can to make it weather worthy, and we'll have to finish it another time. Thanks for sticking with me.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Got the sheathing on this section of the roof. Got it buttoned up because this is our last day. We've got to leave tomorrow. Gonna have to put some plastic over that area. Still, this is all open. A lot we did not get accomplished, but we did do a lot in these 2 weeks. We're exhausted. Wish we could have gotten more done. Hopefully it'll withstand the weather. Have a great day.